like this, I just dey sort out documents for people wey don pay. And this one na one Mr. Charles. I no go tell you the surname, you understand? Na im document be this, and he don pay for your own plot of New Banana Island last 2 weeks, and his document is ready. As you can see, I'm sorting it out, and then I will go and give him his copies. Okay, we have a lot of copies for him. And if you call Madam Good News, aka Mama Peku, you go collect your own document for your New Banana Island, and the amount is 6 million naira for Joseph Estate or Bessie Estate or any of other estates. But you see, Prime Rosecourt is 8.5 million. Why that one different? Na because say Prime Rosecourt gets C of O inside, but the other estates get only deed of conveyance. Are you getting that part? So I dey wait for you, make you come Mama Good News quickly on 0903-4296519, or may you come visit us for our office, Mercy Homes and Properties office, at number 181 Peter Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. I dey wait for you. Yes, so